Hello guys. Yeah, today is day 6 of my speaking English practice. Yeah, that's good. Okay, for 5 minutes. Let's go. Today of my topic that I will talking is my biggest strength and how it helped me succeed. Okay, my my biggest strength skill for me is Juniper emotions. Yes, you can you hear me? Yeah, Juniper emotion. Yes, it's like some disease, but it's not disease. For me, it's not disease. It's some very shit emotion for people who who can be the who can be grow up in every day. Yes, and it's is getting with me. Yeah, the Juniper skill is teach me. It took me for to be a great person, for to be a good person, for to be a productivity person. I will give you an example. Right, I watch Naruto from anime named called Naruto, and this character Naruto who want to be the Hokage, and he tries, he practice, and every day for to get their goal is Hokage. And me who watch Naruto, that character is very have much of emotion, of motivation, and this character is give me that motivation. And I think this called it Juniper skill, and I use this Juniper skill, use this emotion for my own goal. Example, courses scholarship. Example, CDT, computer engineering, Chulalongkorn University, and stuff like that. This that is the that is that's the beginning of my goal, and I use this emotion for yeah, to be grow up in every day. Sometimes it's just a little bit, but it's good than before of me. One is good than than 1 year ago. Yes, it's just 1%, but it's good. It's good that it's better than. For me, it's good. Uh, everyone have you reading a book named Atomic Habit. This book this book told if you improve yourself, it's just 0.01%. If you improve 0.01% every day for 1 year, you gonna be better for your last year's life. 35 7 or 37% around like that. And for me, if I want to get this person, that person is gonna be better in every day, I think I use this Juniper skill for improve myself, for to be a better myself. Yeah, stuff like that. And this is stress skill for me. Yes. And another topic that I will tell you are how you are develop this skill. For myself, I use this skill develop in my habits, in my activity, for for to be a better person in next year, like solving the math question, reading a book like 10 hours per day, work out every day, stuff like that, or be the person who get up early like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Yes, and learning how to be the productivity person and everything stuff like that. That the things and learning the okay and learning the things that give me to the better person. Yeah. Okay, and this time is finished for 5 minutes. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.